Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you for coming back and visiting me. Listen, I know that you guys have options when repairing your convertible Jag. I get that. You have repair shops right up the street from your homes. You have dealerships not far from where you live. I get that. But there's a reason that my clients are selecting me. So I want to give you guys another option. I want to issue a lowest price guarantee. Now, what do I mean by that? That means if you go to a dealership or your local repair shop and you get a service agreement with a number on it, I want you to send me that number and I guarantee you I can do the repair cheaper than anyone else that you can get locally or not locally. So here's my number again for those of you that are interested. My phone number directly is 888-317-9340. Again, that's 888-317-9340. And again, guys, please, I've been doing this a long time. Come to me with responsible offers. You can't tell me that your local dealership said that they're going to repair your convertible top hydraulic hoses and cylinders for $1,000. Stop it. The parts alone are, you're looking at maybe $1,500 depending on where you get the parts from. So come to me with a responsible offer and I guarantee you I will beat that price. Again, my phone number directly is 888-317-9340. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I want to give you a reason to choose JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you. See you soon.